What if I told you that you can link your bank account to your crypto exchange to receive your crypto money from your crypto exchange directly into your bank account? Yes, you can do that. And in this video, I'm going to take you through the step-by-step guide and show you how you can do that. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Dobby's Crypto Series channel. This is a platform where we discuss about crypto, ranging from how to trade crypto, how to buy and sell cryptocurrency, and how to build a successful career in the crypto industry. We drop consistent updates in this channel about how to help newbies to grow in the crypto industry. Now, for the purpose of this video, we shall be making use of our mobile phone. Remember, if this is your first time of visiting this YouTube channel and if you're interested in crypto, do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, turn on the notification bell so that once we upload updates in this channel, you get notified. So now let's go into our mobile phone so that I will show you the steps. So in this video, I'm going to be making use of the Bitget Exchange. Now, if you have not signed up for Bitget Exchange, I'm going to drop the link in the description of this video. You click on the link, you register, then you try to verify your account using any of your country's national identity documents. So once your account is verified, you log into your app, and just as you can see it on the screen, that is how it is going to be displayed on your phone. So what you'll be doing is you are going to click on this button here. Then once you click on this button, it will bring you here. You have to scroll up and search for where it is written P2P. So you click on it. Once you click on it, the buy and sell option, P2P and express button will be displayed. That is this page. Okay. Now what we're interested in is here. You click on these three dotted lines. So once you hit on it, this option will appear on the page. Okay, so amongst the list of this option, the first one is the one that you are going to select. So click on payment methods. Then once you click on it, it will bring you to this page. Now, if you take a look here, you discover that this is an account detail. This is my own personal account detail, which I have added to this app before now. Okay, so to proceed, if you want to add yours, you just click on this add button. Okay, then here you see bank transfer. You click on it and make sure that it is bank transfer. Okay, so click on the bank transfer. It will bring you to this page where you are going to enter the details that are required. Now the first one is here. We have name. Because I have done the verification, and if you have done your verification as well, you are going to see your name displayed here in faint color. Then the second field that we are going to fill is the bank name, the name of the bank that we are making use of. If you are in Nigeria, First Bank, OPay, PalmPay, Access Bank, UBA Bank, and so on. You can link any of the bank accounts as long as it is a commercial bank that is operating in your country of residence. Then the next thing is the account number, the account digits. You are going to input it here. Then this one is the bank branch. Which branch did you open your account? You can put it there. Then here is the card number. Now I want you to pay attention to this. This is the most important, the bank name and the bank account number. The bank branch, if you know it, you can put, but it is not compulsory. The bank branch is not compulsory, and the card number as well is not compulsory. So these two are not compulsory. The compulsory ones are the bank name and the account number. So once you are done with all those, the next thing you do, after you must have checked and know that the details that you have entered is correct, what you do is you click on the confirm button. Now, once you click on the confirm button, your account will be linked to your Bitget Exchange. And if you want to sell your cryptocurrency, you can sell your cryptocurrency in this exchange and transfer the money directly into your bank account. Yes, I mean it. Your money will be sent into your bank account. In my subsequent video, I am going to show you how you can sell your crypto and have the money transferred into your bank account. So if you successfully link your bank account to this app, This is how it is going to look like. Just as you see mine here, your name will appear there. Now, if you are not satisfied with, maybe if you don't want the bank anymore, maybe you want to change the bank account which you have linked, there is a delete button here. You can delete it, and once you delete it, you can add another account. Okay, and also if you have added one account and you want to add another account, let's say you want to add 3 accounts or 2 accounts or any number of accounts that you want, just as I have added mine here, I can decide to add another account by clicking on this add button. So once I add another account here, that second account will be displayed here. If I add the third one, it will be displayed here. If I add the fourth one, it will be displayed here. So you can link more than one account number. So guys, if this video is helpful to you, if you see this video meaningful, do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, and feel free to share this video to other persons who may be interested in this kind of tutorial. Thank you for being with me till the end of this video. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.